Let's talk about the importance of personal protective equipments. The purpose of PPE is to reduce employee exposure to hazards when engineering and administrative controls are not feasible or effective to reduce these risks to acceptable level. These hazard risks can be anything from wet floors to falling debris and everything in between. PPE includes items such as protective helmets, eye protection, high visibility clothing, safety footwear, safety harnesses, and sometimes respiratory protective equipment. Let's explore some PPE commonly used on construction sites and their benefits. First, we have eye and face protection. Safety goggles, spectacles, and full face shields can give you the protection needed for the eyes and face. Metalworks, woodworks, hotworks, and air tool operations all require this type of protection. Next, we have hearing protection. Industrial noise is often discounted as an occupational hazard since it isn't visible to the eye. Earplugs and earmuffs are common hearing protection tools. It is important to note that earmuffs are more effective in reducing high-frequency noise, while earplugs are more effective for reducing low-frequency noise. For our head protection, safety helmets are designed to provide complete protection to the workers from strong head impacts, electric injuries, and injury penetration, which can be caused by falling in heavy objects. Safety helmets also provide protection against injuries from bumping into fixed objects and electrical conductors that may also lead to injury. Wearing a safety helmet on the site is not only important, but also mandatory. Construction jobs typically require the use of hands. Because a lot of work is done with the hands, gloves are essential items in providing hand protection. Some examples of gloves commonly used as PPE include rubber gloves, cut-resistant gloves, and heat-resistant gloves. Using gloves helps to avoid hazards usually involved when working with chemicals, glass, sheet metal, electricity, hot materials, or slippery objects. Construction areas can be very dangerous places. The use of a construction safety vests is necessary for the prevention of injury because wearing one would enhance the visibility of the workers. Reflective tapes help assure that the person using it will clearly be seen from a distance. If wearer can be easily seen, the odds of him being hit by a vehicle will reduce to a significant degree. The wearer of a safety vest has a better chance of preventing unwanted injury by being highly visible on the highway and a reduced occurrence of accidents on the road. There are many instances where the foot and toes would be at risk. In many workplaces, falling and rolling objects or cuts and punctures are serious concerns. A steel-toe safety shoe would help protect workers from injuries. There are many hazards the average working person comes in contact with every day. The proper footwear can prevent unnecessary accidents. When working at heights, your safety harness is vitally important. Safety harnesses reassures your safety when working in hazardous situations. There is no denying the importance of a safety harness, and we strongly recommend to anyone working in construction to wear one, as it could be life-saving. Using PPE and wearing it properly is vital to avoid unnecessary injury in the workplace. Choosing not to wear PPE can be dangerous, especially when it could save your life. SafetyWell Marketing Incorporated always provides workers with necessary PPE unless otherwise noted. Safety is important, and having an understanding of these various protection devices can help to prevent hazardous injury.